Our world is changing quickly. The 90s are here. We must be even better informed to aid in the decisions we make. Decisions about safety, quality, productivity, cost efficiency, and how we impact our environment. Choices that will influence the course of our industry, as well as profitability. One choice now facing all of us is what to do about dramatic losses due to pallet inefficiency. The bad news is, pallet inefficiency is costing the grocery business nearly $2 billion each year, according to a joint industry report. That's more than $10 wasted for each full pallet from manufacturer to grocery store. With an inventory of nearly 100 million pallets to maintain, most of which are of poor quality, pallet management and cost has become a problem of mammoth proportions.
One of the biggest problems that we have in the industry is controlling pallets, from the customers as well as the carriers. The administrative time that's required to handle this is enormous.
There's been injuries in this warehouse because of carrying heavy wooden pallets. Back injuries, they've dropped on feet, legs. They're bulky, they're hard to store, and we've been having a problem with getting them back from carriers.
Pallets are causing other problems. As landfills are closed, there will be fewer places to dispose of them. And as resources dwindle, virgin timber needed to make pallets will be more difficult to secure. As of now, the grocery industry is the largest user of hardwood in the nation. A recyclable material would go a long way to help preserve our natural resources. In the fall of 1989, the Joint Grocery Industry Shipping Container Pallet Subcommittee was directed to look into the development of a recyclable shipping platform. This would do away with pallet exchange and thereby remove many of the burdens associated with the current system. The goal of the Pallet Subcommittee was to come up with a shipping platform that can move through the entire distribution channel and then be recycled. Wanting to help the industry solve the enormous pallet problem, Lever Brothers took an initiative and began the test of a one-way corrugated recyclable shipping platform with Spartan Stores in Grand Rapids. Lever believes cooperation is the only way to solve industry problems. The pallet management problem is no exception.
Lever Brothers came to us and requested that we join them in a test of a load platform. The concept is to use this platform to replace pallets in shipping. During this test, we are finding that the load platform definitely will replace the pallet in shipping.
The experimental prototypes being jointly tested do require transfer to wooden pallets when delivered. However, the Pallet Subcommittee is working on solving this problem. Dimensionally, the wooden pallet and the shipping platform are both 48 by 40 inches and have up to a 3,000-pound capacity. But unlike pallets, the shipping platforms are truly four-way entry, which will greatly improve transportation productivity. In addition, each platform employs a solid top surface, which will reduce product damage. And the shipping platforms will also be recyclable. It is expected that administration costs will virtually be eliminated because there will no longer be the need to track and keep records of every pallet shipped. In short, this initial test by Lever and Spartan of recyclable shipping platforms may well be the way of the future.
We are finding in the test that the platform can definitely perform all the functions of a pallet. We are looking into the possibility, and there's more testing required, of being able to rack with this platform.
The initial test shipments have thus far been successful, but this is just the beginning of an overall program that will hopefully introduce recyclable shipping platforms to our industry.
Maybe it's time for a change. Maybe we should come up with something different, a shipping platform, something not so bulky, something we don't have to exchange.
I believe that the one-way recyclable shipping platform could be the answer to solving these problems.
Lever Brothers is committed to the research, innovation, and cooperation necessary to solve this $2 billion industry problem. The recyclable shipping platform looks to be a way to go forward. By year end, we will be in full compliance with the Joint Grocery Industry Shipping Container Voluntary Guidelines.
I think in the long run, everybody would come out winning.
This is a concept that could take our industry into the 90s.
Lever looks forward to working together with other companies in the industry to reach this goal and to provide the system that suits the requirements of the customer.